Hello, welcome to the Boss Expert Boom 1000 monthly price action coupled with moving average analysis in the H4 back to the lower time frames to see the big picture. Actually, I say monthly. Yeah, that is a monthly imbalance in demand and supply on the boom and crash market. I'm sorry, boom 1000 market. Okay, I'm going to make it clear. Okay, you see, actually that was a bull market for a couple of 1 month. See market, this price, I get one. I'm gonna show you why. You see this price? That's the maximum price, 14,474. As expert trader, you are expecting when the bull market exists, you are expecting a period of distribution where consolidation. That is where I didn't want this resistance. Or resistance, that level maximum resistance for 43. Okay, let me draw. This is a rare price action analysis by the Boss Capital, by the Boss WINFXTRADING. Like, I use the word boss because it's not easy for me to come up with these ideas. It took a lot of pain, a lot of diligence, a lot of sacrifices. If you know this, you'll be rich forever trading this type of market. I'm saying, let me use a line. Let me use a line object, horizontal line. Okay. So I get what I'm saying. So let me manage. You see that place? Take the midpoint of that place. That is H4. Take the midpoint and place sell order. Believe. Okay, assuming you were when this distribution is happening, you will be in big money by now. As the market is going your direction, you'll be looking to you'll be placing more sales in lower time frame after some spikes. You put sell after some spikes, some like swing point, major spike, swing point. Like when a spike happen, there'll be a swing sell. Okay, you place your orders. You place your market order. This one is no longer order. That's how position trader do. That's how you make you as the market keep going in your direction, you add more positions and see you're making huge profit. Even if anything goes wrong, you will end up making huge profit because those positions is strategized. You place your sell after spike, so the spike will not reach to turn your trade to loss. And then, but that's by the way, I'm just analyzing. I'm not teaching yet. So you see, the market reached that maximum resistance level, come to these supports. They break that support, and that breakage is not small thing. It was a huge money. Remember, I'm analyzing this market in H4. Shake the pip you have, because maybe you didn't understand the politics in this market. You have over 800 pips basically. That 800 pips, if you open one lot size, if you sold one lot size with that, just place order, open something like 3 position at one lot size, you have made $800 by trade. That's $2,400 if you place your TP at this place. If you can lump your TP at this way, believing that it will hit here, but you'll be afraid, you may not. So you can TP here and here. So when price reacts to this level, what happened? They start from another support zone. You see, They know the politics. The price don't just move without a defined behavior. Let me use an object. You see what happened? It hit here, go up to retest the resistance, come back after some small spike. It push, make lower low, come to this level, and expert trader will place buy order here because they believe even if it didn't work, you will put your stop loss somewhere here, but it worked. So here some expert order would have placed another order here, but when it's okay, it goes resistance back. Some expert trader will place order here, but the truth is that if you place order here, anytime you place a trade, you have an enemy. When you place buy order here, price action can decide to break this support, and what you will notice is a huge 4-hourly sales that if I can map it, let me just, I don't know if there is zigzag object. I need a zigzag object. Is not, we can that move regression if it will work here. Let's draw it. Oh, this is not a good object. It's not a good object to use. Well, let me use arrow. Okay. We expect this market to do something like this. Let me increase. I hope you are getting attention. We expect this market to do something like this, and like this, come back here, because market move. If a market is trending in any direction, it have to do that in a kind of impulse correction or retracement format. So what we see in one retesting here successfully, break, see, is something like this. Okay, and to open your eyes, that's what we call, I'm using a professional analytical tool by, like, is my own approach of analyzing market. Market has phases. Okay, when a market have phases, the first phase is what, like when an asset is launched, it mostly buys before it will start selling. I'm trying to arrange the way market is done. Okay, the way market behave. Market mostly buy 100%, 65% to 70% of the time, depending. What understand this market as normal forex market. You see what happened here? Let me show you what happened. That's why most people can lose and give up. That is why WINFX trading is for you. This is good. It goes, and that accumulation is a kind of small ranging. So an expert trader will just do something like this, and wait for breakout. Then you also have to do another one here, and notice that this is a zone. This is a zone. Just get a kind of something like red triangle. then do something like this, as it is forming, and you notice that this is real. Okay, breakouts, you have no option, because a market goes in phase distribution, then bull market will happen. Bull, that is buying will take place after distribution. Take this level as low, as the base of a hill. In a base of a hill, a lot of happening that buyers and sellers, world economy, institutional traders that are fighting. Can we push this market to more hills, to lower hills, to lower base of the hill? Can we create more lows in the hill? Can we create more lows? But the one if once one of them wins, the bull win, and that's what happened here. The bull win. What happened? What happened? The market rally up. Okay, because you know that anything can happen. So in this case, you go to lower time frame for good zone, place your stop loss maybe below somewhere here. Post buy, open many position, maybe just make up your mind, get a capital at least 500. This is when you are trading crash or boom, and you are trading the spike, you are actually taking big advantage, because the market spike will give you hit. Okay, you see, let me show you what I mean. Only this in the month, this all month, last month, give over 3,000 pips. That's a huge money. If you open something like 3 positions and one lot size, that will give you over $10,000 after the month. So this is rare. So a bull market, what happened is distribution. This place is accumulation. That is on top of a hill. You will notice distribution. This is a hill. The top, the high of the, you notice distribution, whereby the market will be fighting. The market will be doing like snake. They don't know what it's doing. I will go up, create support distance, creating support and resistance. What is it doing? Like snake is finding a way to break out. Like here, I'm expecting a big over for a just to enter the market. They must take over. They must do something. If market is to move in one direction, everyone will be rich. They must do something. That's so I'm trying to get a good position in lower time frame. You see this moving average 20 moving average, it shows a strong sell in the. A lot of has happened in lower time frames, and by tomorrow the VIP in my Telegram channel, the VIP for the WFS profitable signal, we post signal on boom and crash, jump indices, volatility indices, FS space, gold, silver. It is called VIP WFS profitable signal. Okay, if you can have a kind of $50, you can subscribe for 1 month and see for yourself result. You can join right now, $50 a month. There are other subscriptions, yearly. We have lifetime. You can check out when you come in. You will be given details of how everything will be. You see, if you like this thing, no stress. So thank you. This is the analysis. Boom 1000 boss analysis, and how to analyze market using Boom 1000 as a case study. So subscribe to share this video like your fellow traders. Make sure you join my Telegram channel and subscribe to my courses. Buy my courses and become free. We render a lot of courses in WINFX trading. We render BoomCrash courses, Volatility courses, Volatility 75 courses, Jumping 75 index course. We render synthetic margin course as a whole. We render forex course as a whole. We render crypto trading cryptocurrency course, especially with respect